Welcome back to the Night Stream. It's I, Click to Enlarge. We talk about gaming news, pop culture, and anything I find interesting. And, well, according to Capcom president, they think their game prices are too low. Let's take a look at this. In particular, they're selling their mobile version of Resident Evil 4 for $60. Let's go over this. Capcom president, I'm going to ruin the name, I apologize. Harushiro Tsuhimoto claims that the retail price of video games is currently too low. According to a report from Nikkei, again, apologize for the pronunciation, during Tokyo Game Show 2023, Tsuhimoto said development costs for video games have become too high. Development costs are about 100 times higher than during the Famicom era, but software prices have not gone up that much. Man, well, yeah. Depends on the scope of the project and the type of games you want to play, man, or make. So, yeah, I don't know. Budget a little bit better. Additionally, he claimed that there needs to be pay raises, saying, which I agree, pay the developers and everything proper amount of money. Saying, considering the fact that wages are rising in the industry as a whole, I think raising unit prices is a healthy option for business. Okay. Tsuhimoto also went on to claim that slow economy wouldn't have a big impact on video game prices either. Just because there's a recession doesn't mean you won't go to the movie theater or go to your favorite artist concert. High quality games will continue to sell. Not exactly there, cowboy. Not exactly. You know, you can't. That's a pretty weak argument. There's a lot of things that people do when they can't afford it, like go to the movie theaters, like go to your favorite artist's concert, like buy video games. I think it's a little bit of an out-of-touch excuse. Yeah, I think that's a bit out of touch. The article, which is IGN, I'll link it in the description. Publishers have started to charge $70 instead of previous norm of $60 for PS5 and Xbox Series XS versions of their games during the current generation. This started with the big developers like Activision and EA. First-party publishers like Sony didn't initially raise their prices on their PS5 games, as Ratchet & Clank, Rift Apart, and Returnal were $60. However, Horizon Forbidden West and God of War Ragnarok were given the $70 price tag on PS5 and the upcoming Spider-Man 2, which, boy, you guys gotta check out Spider-Man 2. That game looks like something else. Now, yeah, it says here to continue, even Nintendo priced its big sequel, Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild 2, Tears of the Kingdom, at $70, although the company said it will evaluate pricing on a case-by-case basis. Sure. Okay, so how do you avoid paying $70 for a game? Wait 6 months to play it. I know fear of missing out and everything like that, but prices will go down. Nintendo games, not so much. You might be able to find Tears of the Kingdom for $60 used. But continuing on. Capcom, however, continued selling its own games like Street Fighter VI for $60. Even the iPhone 15 port of its Resident Evil 4 remake will cost the console standard of $60. Ouch, man. I get that these games cost money, but the quality that you're going to get from an iPhone 15 port or a mobile version of the game is not going to be the same quality you're going to get, let's say, on a console or PC. Therefore, I feel the price should reflect that. Anyways, it's possible that Capcom will raise the prices of standard version of their current generation games to $70 in the future. However, one of Capcom's next big releases is Dragon's Dogma 2, which I heard the first one is fantastic. Also, I think my friend stopped playing Dragon's Dogma because at a certain spot in the game, the Switch version just crashed and you couldn't get past anything. Not sure if they fixed that, but I digress. Which seems like a likely candidate for that price raise since it's current generation exclusive. Let's go take this to the comments, see what people have to say on IGN. Honestly, I wouldn't mind paying $90 a game if it meant I won't have to pay for DLC up front and developers get better pay. Nope. False. Look at Diablo 4. They're not going to do that. It's just not going to happen because at the end of the day, it's all about money. I'm not sure which gaming publishers really care about the gamer. And I know that might be taking a stretch. I'm sure there's some out there, but at the bottom line is they want money. Let's see what the response. Trust me, brother, if history has even made even just one thing abundantly clear, it's that developers are not going to get better pay. And that's unfortunate, and I agree. Another person goes on and says, what a terrible mindset for a consumer. If you don't like money and are legitimately worried about developer jobs, just go to Capcom right now and give them a huge duffel bag of cash. Why wait? No one's stopping you. So, here's a good one. Or maybe CEOs and other execs pay is too high. Yeah, but they would beg to differ. You know? They don't care. These CEOs don't care. When they're making an X amount of money and have X amount of bonuses and they're comfortable, they do not care about you. Why would they? They have their money. They're taking care of their family. They're doing whatever they want to do. Enjoying life. Bags of cash, which, money doesn't always make you happy, okay? But it sure fixes a lot of things. So, what do you guys think? What I want to know is, what do you think of this guy's opinion on saying just because there's a recession doesn't mean you won't go to the theater or your favorite concert or high-value games won't sell? I think that's an out-of-touch excuse. Not only that, what do you think about Resident Evil 4 being $60 on iPhone 15? Tough call here. Not really. Yes, no, I don't know. I want to hear what you guys have to say. I appreciate you guys, and that's some news. I'll talk to you soon.